everyone, this is Sumit from Dear Nursing, and in this video we are going to solve some important questions for upcoming AIIMS NORCET 2020. At the end of this video, don't forget to evaluate yourself and do comment your marks out of 30 in the comment section below. So let's begin. Question number 1. Which solution causes fluid to shift from tissues to blood vessels? Option 1 isotonic, Option 2 hypotonic, Option 3 hypertonic, Option 4 all of the above. So the right answer is Option 3 hypertonic. Because hypertonic solution में solute particles का concentration ज़्यादा होता है, that causes the fluid to shift from tissues to blood vessels. Question number 2. A white layer covering newborn's skin is called as Option 1 lanugo, Option 2 milia, Option 3 Wernicke's caseosa, Option 4 Bitort's spot. So the right answer is Option 3 Wernicke's caseosa, that is white cheesy layer covering the newborn skin. Lanugo जो होता है that is the fine hair on the baby skin. Milia are the white bumps on the baby's face. Bitort spots जो होता है that is occur due to vitamin A deficiency. Question number 3. Which is the most common site of metastasis of Wilms tumor? Option 1 lungs, Option 2 liver, Option 3 lymph node, Option 4 bone. So the right answer is Option 1 lungs, that is the most common site of metastasis of Wilms tumor. Question number 4. Snowstorm appearance in chest X-ray is seen in which of the following condition? Option 1 silicosis, Option 2 bagasosis, Option 3 byssinosis, Option 4 tuberculosis. So the right answer is Option 1 silicosis, जिसमें हमें snowstorm appearance देखने को मिलता है in chest X-ray. Silicosis is occupational health hazard due to inhalation of silica particles in lungs. Bagasosis is also same, but it occurs due to inhalation of sugarcane dust. Byssinosis occurs due to inhalation of cotton dust, and tuberculosis is lung disease caused by Mycobacterium tubercle. Question number 5. The cage tool is used for patient with alcoholism. What does A in cage stands for? Option 1 attitude, Option 2 annoyed, Option 3 abuse, Option 4 anger. So the right answer is Option 2 annoyed. Cage जो tool होता है इसमें C stands for cut down, A stands for annoyed, G stands for guilt, and E stands for eye opener. Question number 6. Broca's and Wernicke's area are located in following areas of brain respectively. Option 1 parietal and frontal, Option 2 temporal and occipital, Option 3 occipital and parietal, Option 4 frontal and temporal. So the right answer is Option 4 frontal and temporal, that is Broca's area जो located होता है in frontal lobe of brain and Wernicke's area located in temporal lobe of brain. Question number 7. Which indicator is used to assess malnutrition in children? Option 1 weight, Option 2 weight for height, Option 3 weight for age, Option 4 height for age. So the right answer is Option 2 weight for height, जो कि यूज होता है as an indicator to assess malnutrition in children. Question number 8. Cobweb appearance of CSF sample indicate which inflammatory condition? Option 1 encephalitis, Option 2 TB meningitis, Option 3 bacterial meningitis, Option 4 viral meningitis. So the right answer is Option 2 TB meningitis और tuberculo meningitis. इसमें जो हम सैंपल कलेक्ट करते हैं उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा प्रोटीन देखने को मिलता है, जो अगर उस सैंपल को हम रख देते हैं फॉर रेस्ट तो वो प्रोटीन गेट्स सेटल डाउन एंड इट अपीयर्स एज cobweb. Question number 9. Which heart valve is most commonly affected in IV drug abuser? Option 1 mitral valve, Option 2 tricuspid valve, Option 3, pulmonic valve. Option 4, aortic valve. So the right answer is option 2, tricuspid valve. IV drugs जो patient लेते हैं, so that most commonly damages the tricuspid valve after reaching to it. Question number 10. Which electrolyte imbalance is seen in case of SIADH? Option 1, hyponatremia. Option 2, dilutional hyponatremia. Option 3, hyperkalemia. Option 4, hypomagnesemia. So the right answer is option 2, dilutional hyponatremia, because SIADH is syndrome of inappropriate ADH. इसके अंदर हमें ADH का लेवल बहुत ज़्यादा देखने को मिलता है, और ADH जब ज़्यादा होगा तो वाटर बहुत ज़्यादा रीअब्जॉर्ब होगा बॉडी में. बहुत ज़्यादा वाटर होने की वजह से हमारे बॉडी के अंदर जो सोडियम है वो उसमें डाइल्यूट हो जाएगा, जिसकी वजह से सोडियम का लेवल हमें कम देखने को मिलेगा. बट ये हुआ क्यों है? बिकॉज ऑफ एक्सेसिव अब्जॉर्प्शन ऑफ वाटर. सो इसलिए ऑप्शन 2, डाइल्यूशनल हाइपोनेट्रीमिया. क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. Which of the following coagulation test is done for patient on Coumadin or warfarin? Option 1, PT. Option 2, APTT. Option 3, INR. Option 4, PT-APTT ratio. So the right answer is option 3, INR, that is International Normalized Ratio is the test जो हम करते हैं अगर patient warfarin ले रहा है, that is anticoagulant, to check its effectiveness. We can also do PT, that is prothrombin time, but the most effective is INR. APTT is activated partial thromboplastin time. हम चेक करते हैं अगर patient is on heparin therapy, and PT-APTT ratio is not significant for warfarin. Question number 11. Boot-shaped heart in chest X-ray is seen in option 1, patent ductus arteriosus. Option 2, teratology of Fallot. Option 3, coarctation of aorta. Option 4, tricuspid atresia. So the right answer is option 2, teratology of Fallot में हमें दिखता है boot shaped heart in X-ray. teratology of Fallot के अंदर 4 चीज़ें आती हैं, that is right ventricular hypertrophy, overriding of aorta, ventricular septal defect and pulmonary stenosis. Question number 12. Ludwig angina is option 1, type of CAD. Option 2, subtype of unstable angina. Option 3, cellulitis of floor of mouth. Option 4, a form of intestinal obstruction. So the right answer is option 3, cellulitis of floor of mouth is Ludwig angina. Question number 13. A patient receiving continuous nebulization of salbutamol, which electrolyte level should the nurse monitor? Option 1, magnesium. Option 2, sodium. Option 3, potassium. Option 4, calcium. So the right answer is option 3, potassium. Why? Because salbutamol जो ड्रग हम देते हैं नेबुलाइजेशन फॉर्म में, इट कॉजेज द शिफ्ट ऑफ पोटेशियम फ्रॉम आवर ब्लड टू द सेल्स, तो जिसकी वजह से हमें हाइपोकैलेमिया देखने को मिल सकता है. इसीलिए नर्स शुड मॉनिटर द पोटेशियम लेवल व्हाइल द पेशेंट इज टेकिंग साल्ब्यूटामॉल. क्वेश्चन नंबर 14. विच इज द मॉडिफाइबल रिस्क फैक्टर ऑफ CVA एक्सेप्ट? ऑप्शन 1, हाई फैटी डाइट. ऑप्शन 2, हाइपरटेंशन. ऑप्शन 3, स्मोकिंग. Option 4, family history. So the right answer is option 4, family history. इस क्वेश्चन में हमें पूछा गया है सेरिब्रोवैस्कुलर एक्सीडेंट के इन चारों ऑप्शन में से 3 तो है मॉडिफाइबल रिस्क फैक्टर और एक है जो हमारा नॉन मॉडिफाइबल रिस्क फैक्टर है, क्योंकि इसमें एक्सेप्ट दिया हुआ है. सो हाई फैटी डाइट, हाइपरटेंशन एंड स्मोकिंग को वी कैन मॉडिफाई, बट फैमिली हिस्ट्री इज नॉन मॉडिफाइबल फैक्टर. सो राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन 4, फैमिली हिस्ट्री. Question number 15. Which condition is known as 3 days measles? Option 1, rubella. Option 2, rubeola. Option 3, mumps. Option 4, pertussis. So the right answer is option 1, rubella, जिसको हम जर्मन मीजल्स भी बोलते हैं या 3 day मीजल्स भी बोलते हैं. ऑप्शन 2 है जो रूबियोला, इट इज सिंपली मीजल्स. Question number 16. Nephroptosis is commonly called as Option 1 polycystic kidney disease, option 2 Wilms tumor, option 3 dropped kidney, option 4 nephrolithiasis. So the right answer is option 3 dropped kidney, जिसको हम नेफ्रोप्टोसिस बोलते हैं. टॉसिस मीन्स सिंपली ड्रॉपिंग, सो ऐसे हम याद रख सकते हैं. इसको हम फ्लोटिंग किडनी के नाम से भी बोलते हैं. इस कंडीशन में किडनी फॉल्स इन पेल्विस एज सुन एज द पेशेंट स्टैंड्स. Question number 17. A patient has been on chest tube drainage system for pneumothorax. What should the nurse interpret if no oscillations seen in system? Option 1 tube is blocked, option 2 tube pulled out, option 3 air leakage, option 4 normal finding. So the right answer is option 1 tube is blocked. Chest tube drainage system में oscillation होना is a normal process. अगर ऑसिलेशंस नहीं हो रहे हैं दैट मीन्स ट्यूब इज ब्लॉक्ड और किंक्ड. क्वेश्चन नंबर 18. राइज इन जगुलर वीनस प्रेशर ऑन इंस्पिरेशन इज नोन एज ऑप्शन 1 कुस्मॉल साइन, ऑप्शन 2 हार्टमैन साइन, ऑप्शन 3 जोआस साइन, ऑप्शन 4 पाल्मर साइन. सो द राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन 1 कुस्मॉल साइन इज द राइज इन जगुलर वीनस प्रेशर ऑन इंस्पिरेशन. Option 2 Hartmann sign is the implantational bleeding at the time of pregnancy. Option 3 Zoas sign is seen in appendicitis. Option 4 Palmer sign are the regular rhythmic uterine contraction during pregnancy. Question number 19. According to transactional analysis model, what are the three ego states? Option 1 id, ego, superego. Option 2 blind, hidden, unknown. Option 3 parent, adult, child. Option 4 conscious, subconscious, unconscious. So the right answer is option 3 parent, adult, child are the three ego states according to transactional analysis model. Question number 20. In polio vaccine vial, if the inner square of VVM is lighter in color than the outer circle, then what should the nurse do? Option 1 discard the vaccine, option 2 shake well then use, option 3 keep the vaccine at room temperature then use, option 4 use the vaccine. So the right answer is option 4 use the vaccine. VVM जो कि वैक्सीन वाइल मॉनिटर होता है, इसमें दो सर्कल होते हैं, इनर सर्कल एंड आउटर सर्कल, और हम हमेशा दोनों सर्कल्स के कलर को मैच करते हैं, देन वी विल एडमिनिस्टर द वैक्सीन. इनर सर्कल जो होता है वो टेम्परेचर के सेंसिटिव होता है और उस वैक्सीन को हम तभी यूज़ कर सकते हैं व्हेन इनर सर्कल इज़ लाइटर इन कलर एज कम्पेयर टू आउटर सर्कल. अगर दोनों सर्कल का कलर सेम हो जाता है या फिर inner circle is darker in color, so we cannot use that vaccine and we have to discard it. Question number 21. Pain occur in amputated person is called as option 1 trigeminal neuralgia, option 2 post herpetic neuralgia, option 3 causalgia, option 4 phantom pain. So the right answer is option 4 phantom pain, जो कि एक तरीके का पेन है that occurs after the amputation. Person feels that there is pain but actually वो part is amputated. Option 1 trigeminal neuralgia occurs after the damage to trigeminal nerve that supplies our face. Option 2 post herpetic neuralgia, it is a burning sensation or pain that occurs after the herpes infection. Option 3 causalgia is a chronic arm or leg pain that occurs after injury. Question number 22. The formula for cardiac index is option 1 stroke volume into heart rate, option 2 SBP minus DBP, option 3 SBP plus DBP into 2 whole divided by 3, option 4 cardiac output divided by BSA. So the right answer is option 4 cardiac output divided by BSA or body surface area is the formula for cardiac index. ऑप्शन 1 जो है इट रिप्रेजेंट्स अवर कार्डियक आउटपुट. ऑप्शन 2 इज सिस्टोलिक बीपी माइनस डायस्टोलिक बीपी इज अवर पल्स प्रेशर. ऑप्शन 3 stands for our mean arterial pressure. Question number 23. Athlete's foot is caused by option 1 bacteria, option 2 virus, option 3 fungi, option 4 plasmodium. So the right answer is option 3, fungi causes athlete's foot and the fungi is Tinea pedis. Question number 24. Which is the immediate management for a patient with ventricular fibrillation? Option 1 CPR, option 2 cardioversion, option 3 defibrillation, option 4 intra-aortic balloon pump. So the right answer is option 3 defibrillation, जो कि it is the treatment of choice for ventricular fibrillation. Question number 25. Ramsay scale is used for the assessment of which of the following? Option 1 level of consciousness, option 2 sedation, option 3 level of pain, option 4 extent of burn. So the right answer is option 2 sedation को चेक करने के लिए we use Ramsay scale. Question number 26. Wernicke's encephalopathy and Korsakoff psychosis occurs due to deficiency of option 1 vitamin B1, option 2 vitamin B6, option 3 vitamin B12, option 4 niacin. So the right answer is option 1 vitamin B1, that is thiamine deficiency की वजह से we see Wernicke's encephalopathy and Korsakoff psychosis in chronic condition. Vitamin B6 is pyridoxine, vitamin B12 is cyanocobalamin. Question number 27. ECT is commonly given in which of the following condition? Option 1 general anxiety disorder, option 2 depression, option 3 mania, option 4 alcohol abuse. So the right answer is option 2 depression में we give ECT or electroconvulsive therapy most commonly. Question number 28. Which is the early sign of superior vena cava syndrome? Option 1 confusion, option 2 periorbital edema, option 3 cyanosis, option 4 hoarseness. So the right answer is option 2 periorbital edema. Superior vena cava syndrome में there is a compression or obstruction of superior vena cava जिसकी वजह से blood is not able to flow properly. It occurs as a complication of any metastatic tumor or कैंसर और इसमें हमें इनिशियल जो साइन देखने को मिलता है दैट इज पेरीऑर्बिटल एडिमा ड्यू टू लैक ऑफ ब्लड सप्लाई. क्वेश्चन नंबर 29. ब्रेस्ट सेल्फ एग्जामिनेशन शुड बी परफॉर्म्ड. ऑप्शन 1 एनी डे ड्यूरिंग मेंस्ट्रुअल साइकिल, ऑप्शन 2 1 वीक आफ्टर मेंस्ट्रुएशन बिगिंस, ऑप्शन 3 एवरी वीक, ऑप्शन 4 एनी टाइम. So the right answer is option 2 1 week after menstruation begins, because इस time पे breast are less likely to be swollen, so the test result will be more correct. Question number 30. The peak point of uterine contractions is called as option 1 increment, option 2 decrement, option 3 acme, option 4 resting phase. So the right answer is option 3 acme. It is the peak point of uterine contraction. Uterine contraction start होते हैं increment से, highest point goes to acme and then comes to decrement. So this is the end of this video. Don't forget to comment your marks below. Hope you all liked.